How to reset Discord settings. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to reset Discord settings. So first thing, just head over to your Discord application, and once you're inside here, just select your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and from over here what you want to do is just click on this settings, which is at the top right corner. And once you click on it, simply scroll down until you see the voice section. So when you are here, you just have to scroll all the way down until you see the option called reset voice settings. So as you can see, I'm currently on Android and the function resetting voice is not available on Android. So you just have to make sure you come to the same page from your PC version of your Discord. So once you do that, you can simply reset your voice settings. So another thing what you can also reset is just click on this language and simply select any of the language which you want, and just like that. Or you can simply select the language which you previously were on, and just like that you will be successfully resetting language as well. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.